Hello, developers. Mm, Welcome to my Vishaka Tulado channel. Today's topic is about the self class. In this video, in my previous video, I have abstract class in part 1. In part 2, we had discussed about the partial class. In part 3, we have discussed about the static class. In this part 4, we are going to discuss about the series. In this video, we will see what is the series class, and we will see the sixth class example. Okay. Then after, if a class is self and it cannot be inherited to add a new feature, then what should we use? Then it is the extension method. See, to add a new method without changing its source code, you use the extension method. You will see the extension method also. I have also created the another video of extension method if you want to see what's clearly. Okay. Here's the types: abstract class, partial class, static class, field class. In self class, it is not possible to inherit by any classes. We use the keyword self. Self class cannot contain the abstract class. We can create the object of the self class. Okay. We will first of all see the um, code in Visual Studio and pretty much clear about the self class. One thing, Visual Studio, first of all, we have to create the new folder, right click, add new folder, still classes, right here. So we have already created this folder. Now we have to create the one of the class. For example, we have the class name student self class. I have already let's see here, right? Because the student SEC, SEC example, and we have created a normal class, right? Now, in order to make the class cells, we have to use the keyword cells. Example, the cell class has the for the white. It's all right. Hard one. Let us create another class. Cell class. Oh, teacher. This. In our previous discussion, we have said that not possible to inherit any classes. can see that when we use the self class, that it cannot be intended. If we have in self class, then examples of what we have. Can you derive from the self but the Europe cannot be derived. If it is more clause, then it can be derived. It makes security that no other developer can uh, inherit the silicons. Yeah, I think this line is pretty much clear. Use the keyword self. We have used the keyword self here. Self class cannot contain any abstract means then in self class, it it is exactly opposite to the abstract class. Right? In abstract class, it must be derived, and in self class, it cannot. It is not possible. So we cannot write probably right method two. Method two. Let's consider this line. Okay. We use abstract, then we will get the student is abstract, but it contains non-abstract type. If the method is abstract, then class must be abstract. If it is abstract, then oh, it doesn't have the body also. Okay. If we are uh, if we want to have more details about the abstract class, then you can see my part-1 video. Okay, I think this part is also pretty much clear. Can create the object of the same class. Okay. Can create the object. Um, Calculate starting word. Done in years. Plus, okay, in order to test this cell class, we can click on class test cell class. Public. Mhm. We can create the instance. We can create the object of the sequence. I think this one is also pretty much clear. Okay, and I have said that if the class is self, then it can be inherited to add a new feature. It cannot add anything. Okay. Then how we can add it, not without changing the source. It's possible by using it. extension. In this example, we have a student who have remove this one and four. If you want to add anything, any method, then you can use if this is the if this is the original task, then you cannot change. Can you change anything there? But you can add the method in this mm, add class student. Let's see. Next, next, then this is the task. Hopefully, hopefully, uh, extension class, we have to always write the method name that, right? Method three. Three distance. Oh, right. Method three. Just right here. This, this, the original uh class was student, right? Mm, let me continue the statement. Oh. This must be square. Oh, here we have only this before, right? We okay, the error has gone. Okay, if we want to, okay, this is the original class, right? The same class, and here we have that the um, and one of the new methods using the extension method. If you want to see the testing, okay, testing sequence and trying to create the object called it within the method one. You can call method one also and method two. See, the method one is the self task original method, and we have add the method fields using the extension method. See, method sheet. Thus, test it, run this code. When not we run this code, we have use the right click properties, oh, right click properties. Okay, choose here the self task. This, let's see, let's run it. You can see that we have run the method one and method two method. I hope that you have pretty much clear about the self class. Thank you.